Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Planner 5D app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. Then here can you looking for Planner 5D app, or just click here on search. So then here add Planner so add here Planner 5D app, then you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on force stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here, then you search for Planner 5D app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.